Hello everyone, this is the Case Breakers and I'm doing a personal box break of 2013 Finest Football, and this stuff has been loaded for me, guys. The last box, you can watch the video, I hit an Eddie Lacy autographed red refractor patch number to 75, an EJ Manuel autographed red refractor jersey number to 75, and a Geno Smith autograph number to 10. Just a sick product. Thank you, Troy. And yeah, work is overrated, but unfortunately I have to do it, and that's what makes my breaks keep going. So I have to get the cards out to the guys. Oh, the patch is in a different spot here. The patch is in a different spot from the norm. It's in the middle. Usually it's on the bottom. I got a lot of sorting to do. Nothing right now but four boxes of Finest tonight, Kenon. 4 boxes of this stuff. This is a personal box break, Kenon. Did I get 2 patches in here? I may have gotten 2 patches in here. Ooh, that would be nice. Alright, let's see what Mojo I can pull. Kenon, get in the break tonight, brother. Vance McDonald rookie. And a refractor DeMarco Murray. And a Ryan Swope rookie. I already hit the RG3. I got a blue refractor. Number 11 to 99, Wes Welker. And an EJ rookie. Hey, Kenon, brother, this could be yours, my man. You can own this card. Number to 50, you could own that, Kenon. That was another one of my hits. Oh, he had a concussion. He had to retire. A Finest Moments, Andrew Luck. And a Mentai Teo. He ain't coming back. He's not coming back. Quinton Patton refractor. And the rookie Kenjon Barner. Haha, Prism, Brandon Marshall. There we go, number to 25, number 13 of 25. Who says the Bears don't have hits? And Luke Jokel. Marcus Wheaton rookie. You don't come back to play football after getting concussions. Bad concussions. Refractor Arian Foster. And a Zach Ertz rookie. Especially nowadays. Back in the 80s you can get away with that. Not now. Not with what the medical field knows. Just a rookie of D. Milliner. And a refractor Dion Jordan. Rookie Marcus Lattimore. Alright, to the 2 hits we go, and they both look to be patches, so that was a nice little bonus. Now let's hope they're good patches. Oh, we'll see if there's any rookies. The other rookies in the back, so Stephon Taylor's rookie. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, come on, boom, baby! Oh my God! Oh my God, boom, baby! Andrew Luck, Prism Refractor number to 25, guys. Wow! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Guys, the case is loaded. You guys need to get in this break tonight. For real. Oh my God. Wow, this is sick. This is sick, guys. Oh my goodness. I'm expecting a text in about a minute and a half from Shoei. Wow. I was thinking Bjorn Werner. Chris Harper rookie. Yeah, I'm sure you will. You can buy the box for $200. And we got a gold. Oh, it's the Bills, guys. Come on, that would be sick if it was EJ. That would be sick if it was EJ. Three color. It's a 3-color patch. Going slow. Oh, come on. Ah! Marcus Goodwin. Marcus Goodwin. That's not bad, though. 17 of 50. I'll take that. A 3-color gold patch autograph. Still a very nice hit. Another loaded box, guys. Oh, my. Wow. Guys, if you are not checking us out and getting into our breaks, you need to do that. www.thecasebreakers.com and follow us on Twitter at thecasebreakers.